Schools have reopened in Ghana after months of closures due to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, while many students are happy to be back in the classroom, there are fears of a potential spread of coronavirus infections. Health experts say the country is inching towards a second wave as its COVID-19 case count continues to rise. CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai reports from Accra.
The new normal. Teachers and students keep their face masks on during lessons. As schools reopen in Ghana amid the COVID-19 pandemic, many students say they are happy to be back in the classroom.
We are all learning in the house, but it was very difficult for us because there's TV in the house, there are other things in the house. You can't concentrate well, and you are being sent and doing all other stuff. So when we come to school, we are able to communicate with our teachers, so it helps us.
These students have not been in the classroom for 10 months since the government shut down schools to curb the spread of COVID-19. Public schools like this did not have the facilities to offer online classes for students while they were away. Some teachers say it's going to be difficult to get the lessons back on track, especially for these kindergarten pupils. And while they try to catch up with academic work, teachers also have to ensure students comply with all COVID-19 safety measures. Ghana is recording an increase in cases of COVID-19 infections. This has prompted fears of a further spread among students as schools reopen. But experts say that can be avoided if precautions are taken.
Although we are seeing a high number of cases, we don't have to assume that once they go back to school, the cases are going to get higher. No. Once we are following the safety protocols, ideally the cases should actually drop. But because we don't follow them, that's why we have a high number of cases at the moment. So it's all up to us to just maintain and just stick the safety protocols.
But it could prove a challenge for children to keep their face masks on for long periods. Some schools say they are adopting a strategy.
Teachers will be going around to make sure they keep it on. We are going to give numbers. After every hour, maybe number 1, remove your mask. They rest for about 5 minutes, put it on. Number 2, remove your mask, then to go on like that, because they can't put it on for the 4 hours.
The government has urged teachers to ensure strict adherence to the COVID-19 safety measures. They hope that will help to avoid shutting down schools for a second time. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.